We were holding off on buying a rotary hammer drill to demo our bathroom tile, figuring we could remove the tile and backer board with a hammer and chisel. That changed the first afternoon after very slow and tiring progress. This hammer drill is the middle model in Harbor Freight's Bauer hammer drill line. There's also a 7 amp and 12 amp models. The 12 amp is much more expensive. As other reviews have mentioned, the Harbor Freight tools may not be high-end tools, but if you're not a contractor, the occasional use of do-it-yourself or for specialized tools like a hammer drill, this tool is more than adequate. We're very pleased with its performance, and it's a big time and energy saver. One thing I might mention if you are considering getting a rotary hammer drill, this Bauer 10 amp is an SDS model. There are SDS Plus and SDS Max models out there also. The SDS Max tools have larger chucks and the bit shanks are larger and more heavy duty. So if you get an SDS model, the SDS Plus bit shanks are the same size as the standard SDS bit shanks and are interchangeable. I mention this because I wanted an angled chisel bit to fit flat horizontally under the tile, and I couldn't find a standard SDS chisel bit that was angled. So I bought an SDS Plus chisel bit and it works perfectly. Here's the plan for getting the old Vanity out of here. I disconnected all the plumbing, the water lines and the drain lines, and I raised one end of the countertop up and supported it with a 2x4 on end, and I'm going to cover it up with a blanket and then get the sledgehammer on it in the middle, see if I can bust it in half. That way it'll be a lot easier to haul out of here in 2 or 3 pieces rather than try to fight it one whole piece.